check this out. Everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Props. My name's Levi Woods. And it is Friday. I'm pretty excited. It's almost the weekend. I'm gonna get out of the shop, and today I thought I'm gonna do a little show and tell for you guys. Oh my God, I am in love. This is like the Machinist Handbook. It's over 100 years old. It's almost 3,000 pages, and for a builder, this is like unbelievable resource. It shows, like, this is a page on shearing for materials. This is miniature screws. When the zombie apocalypse comes, I will rebuild or help rebuild the world with this book when we can't use electricity. It's gonna be amazing. And then a friend of mine phoned me and said, hey, this little knight, a friend of his son has this like 50-year-old antique knight, and he's missing his arm. Do you think he could be fixed? Of course he can. We can fix that. But he is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'll do a few little close-up shots because you won't believe the detail. And then I bought a little piece of mail as well. This is really ridiculous, but you know, people are like cleaning up. Oh, did I tell you about my new shirt? This is a Dark Horse shirt from Richard's channel, Dark Horse Workshop. You should check out his channel. Built some really cool leatherworking stuff. Okay, whew. It is heavy, and it came with this coif, which needs a liner. Like, I would never wear it like that. I'm gonna fight my way out of this chain. Luckily, I have short hair. Oh, that wasn't too bad. All right, check out this little guy. He is unreal. Look at this helmet. Look at this. He's even got a little white belt. See you guys next time.